Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restart your Windows 10 computer without rebooting. So restarting Windows is pretty commonplace if you ever have installed updates in the past, tried to install new applications, or you just have a random shutdown all of a sudden for some reason. Maybe you accidentally clicked on a button and your computer restarts. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to force a restart without actually rebooting your system. So this should be pretty straightforward, and it could definitely be useful if you know how to do it. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by holding down the Control, Alt, and the Delete keys on your keyboard at the same time. So again, Control, Alt, Delete. And once you get to a screen that looks like this, that means you're already halfway there. And you want to left click on Task Manager. You want to scroll down until you get to Windows Explorer. Right here. You want to right click on it and then left click on Restart. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So definitely a lot quicker than actually having to reboot your entire system for some circumstances. Now sometimes you will have to restart your entire computer, but this can definitely be useful, especially in the example that I just showed. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.